In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Docusign Esignature. Whether you're a new user or just looking to improve your knowledge, this guide will help you navigate the user management process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Docusign's official website. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools and resources that Docusign offers, including eSignature, which is one of their most popular features. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, move towards the top right corner where you'll see the login button. Clicking here will take you to the login page. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it on the login page. After logging in, you should land on the Docusign homepage. From here, your next step is to look for the admin button. You'll typically find this in a menu or toolbar, often located at the top of the page. Clicking admin will transition you into the administrative section of Docusign, where you can oversee many aspects of your account. Now that you're in the admin section, direct your attention to the sidebar or the main panel, where you should find a tab labeled Users. Clicking on this tab will take you to the user management dashboard. This area is crucial as it lists all users associated with your Docusign account, whether they're active, inactive, or have permissions you'd like to modify. With the users displayed, you'll notice an Actions button or menu next to each user or at the top of the page. This is essential for managing user roles and permissions within your Docusign account. By selecting Actions, a drop-down menu will provide various options such as adding a new user, editing an existing user's details, or removing a user from your account entirely. As you navigate these options, remember that adding a new user typically requires their email address and setting some initial permissions based on their role. Modifying an existing user can involve changing their access levels or updating their contact information to ensure they're correctly matched to the appropriate privileges for their tasks. Finally, when you are satisfied with the changes and additions, make sure to save your updates. This ensures that your modifications are applied and that your user base is correctly configured to meet your organization's needs. That wraps up our walkthrough on managing users in Docusign eSignature. Taking full advantage of these features will allow you to maintain better control over your documents and the users interacting with them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other Docusign tutorials to further enhance your productivity.